Hi student, I am Total Ghosh from BARDHAMAN district. It is in West Bengal. Today I am going to discuss the first chapter of Geography of class 6 from NCERT book. The PDF has been taken from NCERT book. So let's begin the first chapter, the Earth in the solar system. Here there are many unnecessary things, but you should know the important points from this chapter. So let's begin. First, what is full moon and new moon? You will start from here. Along with these bright objects, means in the sky there are many bright objects. You may also see the moon on most of the days. It may, however, appear at different times in different shapes and at different position. You can see the full moon only once in about a month's time. It is full moon night or Purnima. So full moon night is also called Purnima. A fortnight later, you cannot see it at all. Means you cannot see the full moon at all. It's a new moon night or Amavasya. On this day, you can watch the night sky best, provided it is a clear night. Means on this day, you can watch, means you can see the night sky best, means bright sky. Provided, means if it is a clear night. So next important topics is, what is celestial bodies? What is celestial bodies? Means the sun, the moon and all those objects shining in the night sky are called celestial bodies. Next important topics, what are stars? Some celestial bodies are very big and hot. They are made up of gases. They have their own heat and light, which they emit in large amounts. These celestial bodies are called stars. The sun is also a star, remember, means which has their own heat and light. This is called star. So the sun has its own light and heat, so sun is also called a star. So the next important point is constellations. Means while you are watching the night sky, you may notice various patterns formed by different groups of stars. These are called constellation. See here, this is called constellation. This is North Star and this is pointer stars. So celestial constellation is clear. Means there are some another important points. What is Ursa Major, Big Bear, Saptarishi? Now let's try to understand from here. Ursa Major or Big Bear is one such constellation. So if the examiner asks you, give an example of constellation, so you must say Ursa Major or Big Bear is one such constellation. One of the most easily recognizable constellation is the Saptarishi. Saptarishi or Sapto means 7 and Rishi means sages. It's a group of 7 stars. It's a group of 7 stars that forms a part Ursa Major constellation. Ask someone elder in your family or neighborhood to show you more stars, planets, and constellations in the sky. So, Saptarishi, a group of 7 stars. See here, count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So, this is called Saptarishi, or you can say Ursa Major or Big Bear. Now, next important topics is what is pole star. In ancient times, people used to determine directions during the night with the help of the stars. Because during that time, they had not or they could not invent the compass. That's why the pole star guides them, because you can say this is as a northern star or north star. So in ancient times, people used to determine directions during the night with the help of stars. The north stars indicates the north direction. It is also called pole stars. Now, next important topic is what is planets. Some celestial bodies do not have their own heat and light. They are lit by the night of the stars. Such bodies are called planets. So the difference is between planet and star is that planet has not its own light and heat. Whereas a star has its own light and heat. Now, what is solar system? Let's try to understand what is solar system. The sun, 8 planets, satellites, and some other celestial bodies known as asteroids and meteoroids form the solar system. We often call it as a solar family with the sun as its head. Now, next, what is sun? This is most important because it is the head of the solar system. Means it is at the center of the solar system. The sun is in the center of the solar system. It is huge and made up of extremely hot gases. It provides the pulling force that binds the solar system. The sun is the ultimate source of heat and light for the solar system. But the tremendous heat is not felt so much by us. Why? Because despite being our nearest star, it is far away from us. The sun is about 150 million kimi or kilometer away from the earth. Next, what are planets? There are 8 planets. How many planets? 8 planets in our solar system. In order of their distance from the sun, they are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. An easy way you can remember these lines so that you can understand, or you can say easily, in order of their distance from the suns, means that planets in order of their distance from the sun. My very efficient mother just served us nuts. My means Mars, V means Venus, E means Earth, M means mother, J means J means Jupiter, S means Saturn, U means Uranus, and N means Neptune. Next important topics is what are orbits. What are orbits? All the 8 planets of the solar system move around the sun in fixed paths. These paths are elongated. Remember, elongated, the word elongated. They are called orbits. Next, the Earth. What is the Earth? The Earth is the third nearest planet to the Sun. In size, it is the fifth largest planet. Means third nearest and fifth largest planet. Remember it. This is very important. Third nearest planet to the Sun and fifth largest planet. It is slightly flattened at the poles. That is why its shape is described as a geoid. Geoid means earth-like shape. Geoid means earth-like shape. Next, conditions favorable to support life are probably found only on the Earth. The Earth is neither too hot nor too cold. It has water and air, which are very essential for our survival. The air has life-supporting gases like oxygen. Because of these reasons, the Earth is a unique planet in the solar system. From the outer surface, the Earth appears blue because its two-thirds surface is covered by water. It is therefore called a blue planet. Next, the Moon. Our Earth has only one satellite, that is the Moon. Its diameter is only 1/4 that of the Earth. It appears so big because it is nearer to our planet than other celestial bodies. It is about 3,84,400 km away from us. Now you can compare the distance of the Earth from the Sun and the Moon. This is most important topic. The Moon moves around the Earth in about 27 days. It takes exactly the same time to complete one spin. As a result, only one side of the Moon is visible to us on the Earth. Next, the Moon does not have conditions favorable for life. It has mountains, plains, depressions on its surface. This casts shadows on the Moon's surface. Look at the full Moon and observe these shadows. Asteroids. Next point, asteroids. Apart from the stars, the planets and satellites, there are numerous tiny bodies which also move around the Sun. These bodies are called asteroids. They are found between orbits of Mars and Jupiter. Most important, where these are found? Between the orbits of Mars and Jupiter. Next, meteoroids. The small pieces of rocks which move around the Sun are called meteoroids. Sometimes these meteoroids come near the Earth and tend to drop upon it. During this process, due to friction with the light, they get heated up and burn. It causes a flash of light. Sometimes a meteor, without being completely burned, falls on the Earth and creates a hollow. Do you see a whitish broad band like a white glowing path across the sky on a clear starry night? It is a cluster of millions of stars. This band is the Milky Way Galaxy. Our solar system is a part of this galaxy. In ancient India, it was imagined to be a river of light flowing in the sky. Thus, it was named Akash Ganga. A galaxy is a huge system of billions of stars. What is galaxy? An important question. Is a huge system of billions of stars and clouds of dust and gases. There are millions of such gases that make the universe. It is difficult to imagine how big the universe is. Now this chapter is ended. If you have any queries, write in the comment section below, and if you want to learn from me through offline course or through offline, so you can contact me through my email ID, which has been given in my description and about of my channel. Thank you.